Today we'll take the 280Ah version 2 floor standing battery as an example to show you the full warehouse pickup process. First, contact customer service to request a pickup and get the available warehouse locations. Customer service will provide the warehouse address. You can choose the location and confirm the pickup time with them. Then, you'll receive a bill of lading, BOL, which includes your pickup number, time, and location. At the scheduled time, go to the warehouse and collect your battery using the BOL information. Please note that if the pickup is not completed within the specified time, additional charges may apply. This battery weighs approximately 297.6 lbs and requires at least 2 people to handle. You're responsible for ensuring safety during transportation. Once the battery is collected, the self-pickup order will be considered complete. Finally, after the pickup is completed and confirmed, send your BOL number to customer service to receive your $300 refund. That's the complete warehouse pickup process, making it easy for you to enjoy reliable power.